I started vlogging in 2003, before YouTube even existed. It is with heart wide open that I share with you my journey that has taken me from South Korea to now living off-grid in the middle of nowhere. There's a little rabbit there, I don't know if you see it. Let's see if I can go close enough. Oh, it's gone. Their technique is to stay still. Yeah, I'm not hunting rabbit. I'm going to one of our trail camp. It's getting a lot of false trigger because something is in front of it, like hanging from a tree, so I'm gonna remove it. And I got my rifle in case I see a bear, but I don't have high hopes. Moose track right there. Oh yeah, you can see it there. That's what the dogs were barking again last night. You see tracks right there. Yeah. Maybe I see a moose today. Oh, the creek? Oh yeah, look at that. This is good. This is higher. Yeah. It rose. There's good amount of water now. Let's see, maybe the meadow has flooded. I'll see if I can fly my FPV drone tomorrow. We don't have a battery for our DJI drone, our Mavic 2. They're expensive, like 100 something, like 130. But we still haven't had any deliveries from Amazon. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Third world problem. First world problem. Oh yeah, this is much bigger now. It's overflowing over there on the road. Yeah, I won't cross with the quad here today. Let's keep going. Okay, so this is like there's like two double beaver dam. So this is one part of it, and you can see it has flooded here. Yeah. So these little willows, I still haven't cut them. Look at that. Now we see water here. So it's really starting to flood. So I'm going over there. That's where the can is. But I have to follow the trail there and around. Okay, let's see. I don't know if you can see, but the hill over there, which is behind the house, the poplars are starting to show colors. I don't know if you can see it. It's not just branches anymore. Like this right here, these guys, you can't see it, but over there you can see it. I'm not gonna even bother going over there. It's too wet, and I don't have boots right now. So good. Okay, I'm gonna keep driving around. Why not? Oh yeah. I really like this spot. There's no fish in that creek because it flows only in the spring. Moose tracks right here. That's fairly recent. They are everywhere except when I look for them. Yes. I can hear the croaks of a crane. Oh yeah, look. It's in the sky. It's the first one that I see this year. There's another one coming because I can hear it too. Somebody has spent a lot of time here. Look, all eaten, everything here. All these guys have been eaten. This is eaten, all of it. This is like a snack room. Look at that beast. Look at this. Wow. It's big mushroom. Ah, more moose poop. More moose poop. If you gotta eat, you gotta poo. Hey, it's Tuesday now, and still no packages from Amazon. I spoke to them this morning. We'll see. The driver might get in trouble because it's becoming evident that he is avoiding delivering to our place. Little shit. So I'm gonna cut some trees to make some posts for the upcoming fence. I probably need something like 40, maybe, yeah, at least 40. So, and these trees here, I want to cut them because when you're on the hill, these guys kind of block the view. So I'm gonna work on that, and we'll see how far I get. You know, I'm just gonna put and buck the trees that I cut, and the bigger one like this I leave. It's going well. I'm already fed up. I got like 10 a quarter, but I'm gonna go get the other chainsaw. The small one is not good enough. It's gonna take me less time to go get the other one than continue with this one. Okay, so that should go faster now. I got the big saw. I'm gonna cut these little ones here. I got 30 more posts to make, but it's coming along. I got a little bit over 20 posts cut, and I opened this up So from the top, it should give us like a much better view. But now I'm gonna cut a few of these tall ones, because with one tree I can make maybe 3 or 4 posts and very few branches to cut. Change of plan. I'm going home. It's too crappy. I'll continue tomorrow. Perfect timing. It started raining. I'm glad I called it quits. Okay. I'm gonna call my mom. Hey, good morning. All first world problems are not done. Oh, I've been on the phone twice already today with the delivery company from Amazon. Maybe today. Unreal. So the weather is on and off. It was sunny earlier, but I think it's gonna be like this the rest of the day. I'm gonna finish cutting posts, and then I should be able to come and fetch them later on today. And then to get the big logs that are over there, I want to wait a little bit that this drains, but it's... For now, I'm gonna get some of these trees that are really long and perfect size, like they're perfect to do my post, so I will use that. Okay, some more chainsawing today. The chainsaw is very, very, very critical to homesteading, and even one is not enough. I'm glad we have the two, the big one and the small one. Yesterday I had 52 new subscribers. That's unreal. So I want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed. Please like and subscribe the videos. It makes a difference. April 9 and the pond is completely ice free. So we can track that to see every year. But that's pretty good, I think. Okay, I did a little bit more than 20. I cleared up some of the trees there. So the delivery driver called. Divine spoke to him. So it looks like we're gonna be able to get our first delivery. Later I'll come pick up those posts I cut for the fence. There's like many here and there. I'll come with the trailer. Oh, now it's sunny. Oh my god, look at that. It's really dark there. And then over there is blue. The sun is there. That's April's weather. The sun feels really good. It's warming me up. And that snow, look at that. It's like styrofoam balls, you know? Yeah. There's a lot. Before I go home, I'm gonna take the time to buck this guy, because this guy fell by itself, so I'm gonna use it. It's one tree I don't have to cut, but it still needs to be prepped for transportation. All right, it's a good one. I left it in one piece because I'm just gonna pull it out with the excavator and then cut it into a 16 feet section. I'm gonna go check the creek right there. It should be flooded there. Just a sec. Oh yeah, This is flooded. I can't wait to come with Divine this evening when she's done work. We're gonna tour. Oh, I could hear the creek from the house yesterday, last night. Oh, look, some moose poop. Yeah, I'm really not happy right now, I have to tell you. So the people who drive those delivery truck and the whole delivery, they're not from Canada. I tell you, these guys, like, they're so bad. They're trying to gaslight me. They're lying, blatantly lying. I think somebody's gonna lose their job. The problem for them is, okay, so they've been hired and to deliver the package, the guys in the warehouse and all that, and they have a territory, and we are within that territory. That has been confirmed several times when I called to the company, but we are so far off that to come here takes time away from delivering other boxes to other people, and they get paid by the number of boxes they deliver. So it's not very they don't make much money coming here. Actually, it takes away from the money they could make. So they don't want, and because they don't want, they're lying. They're one guy is like, "Are you sure you're talking to the right company?" Like, seriously. And meanwhile, I have to use my control to not lose my shit on these guys. You know, to not start screaming. Like, I'm doing my best to stay composed, and I'm surprised I have been able to do it so well. And yeah, so tomorrow morning I'm talking to a supervisor, and these guys, they're gonna get in shit because it's completely unacceptable. Yeah, they're like, "Oh, we can leave your package somewhere, a drop off, and you can pick it up there." And when I suggested that the first two times I called the company, they say, "We don't do pickup locations." So they, my God. Anyway, let's see how this is going to turn out. Looks kind of similar to yesterday here. I think this is a little bit higher than yesterday. Uh-huh. Yeah. Definitely higher than yesterday. Oh, not all chemtrails have been cut. Unbelievable that they still do this. And the pilots. Too many bad people on this planet. So another plane, but no no trails, you know. It's flooded. It's flooded pretty good. I'm gonna download the data from the greenhouse. Oh my God, this is so muddy. I'm gonna sink like hell. Oh, yeah, I just did. It's much warmer here. Let's see how the water situation here. It is still full of water. This is, you see, it's really soft. There's still lots of water. I'm looking at this. Checking if something has moved. Looks fine. So this is much drier. This is still wet, but I don't sink because of the gravel. Oh, look at that one. It's like the whole sky. Hey, goats. Yes. Oh, what a terrible day to be outside. It's so windy, gray. But I'm gonna go get a load of those posts I cut so that they are around here. I'm gonna bring some strap. And then we'll see how I feel after the first load. I might go inside and edit. There's a gate I need to do up there for to prevent the goats to go inside. Eventually I have to do that. And then I was on the phone for like 3 hours this morning with different companies, but with Amazon and Dragonfly in telecom. Still not finalized, but Amazon and the manager I spoke to said that they could go back to shipping by Canada Post. So I have that option, so that's good. We're just gonna suck it up for now to push Dragonfly to get those stupid drivers to do their job, and the job they were hired for. This really insulted me, like these guys. They're not even Canadian. Unreal. Anyway, don't get me started. Before I get going, I have to let you know we spoke with the Chinese guy for our solar system, and it's not going well. Today is April 10. I think the tariffs on China is like 150%, and China is at 85% on US. And all these report of the Chinese economy like shutting down. So it's kind of stressful for us. But he said that the ETA to Vancouver port is like May 16. But I haven't gotten the way bill yet. So I don't. It's not on the ship, I think, yet. It takes about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks to ship, like once it's on the boat. So I have no idea. I still have to get a clear-cut answer, but until it's on the ship, I'm not sure that we're not gonna have like a problem. But once it's on the ship, I think we're gonna be good. Oh my god, this is just like it's good that we bought it when we did, not now. We were at just the right timing, because everything is changing now. But let's see. So I got to pick up all these logs, you know, like that. I've got them everywhere, and at least one trip, maybe two, we'll see how I feel. I'm not you know, it's not an emergency, and I think maybe I can try to use the, because this is a weather to use the excavator, you know. In there you're okay, it's like you're sitting at home, so it's not a problem, the weather. So one thing I can do with the excavator is work on our road. I think I might give it a try, you know, like drag the blade to try to level the road, fill the potholes. We'll see. It might not, but here it might not work, but here in the bush, with the amount of mud there is and how wet, it's a recipe to lose a track again, and I'm not up for that. You see how windy. This is about 23 kilometers an hour, so it's nothing like we've seen earlier this year at other places in the world. I might not get much done, but whatever gets done is done. So, hey. So that's 25. It didn't take too long. I'm gonna do another load. I think I might be able to get everything I cut, and I'll be over 40, which is okay. This is what I think I'm gonna need. That's another 22, and I got a third load of about 10, so I'll be like close to 60. More than enough for the fence, so that'll be done, but it's not done yet. The sun came out, but whew, it's windy. Yeah, I want to fly the drone, but it's not happening today. It's too windy. That's my 61 post. It's plenty. I'm gonna go on to phase 2. Maybe I empty the truck first before I go on the excavator. There's one that doesn't fit there. And I just realized if I really want to take the camper, I have to move everything. Oh my god. Anyway, that's that for now.